Nandito kami sa Target ngayon. Yan. Nandito ako sa may Huh?
I'm going to turn
Kids
I'm
section.
going to turn you
Into
I'm going to turn you into something. Wait, look.
Yeah.
Like you're supposed to like
I don't
and
know
then
what you want.
turn.
Cute. Oh, may dito. Ito siya. I like the color. This one headband. Go take this, Rachel. How do you like this one?
I like it.
It's cute, right? I like the color.
You want it?
I'm not sure. How much is it?
I don't know how much too.
Look at the price.
It's
$6. Oh, I like
It's
this for Rachel. Para sa summer.
Okay.
Yan. And then ito also. You're such a fruity, Rachel. Look at this. I like it.
Guys,
What?
I'm going to turn you into something. Follow it.
Nade, this up. Yeah. Naghahanap tayo ng paper towel. Usually yung yung Target brand na paper towel, gusto ko yun kasi it's cheaper compared to Bounty. To Bounty. Tapos siya, strong yung quality niya. Murag dry na gid akong kuan diri. Yeah. Ikapoy na si Rachel. Are you tired, Rachel?
Yes.
She's not feeling 100%. Ito si Daddy. So ito guys, we are thinking if we will put this in the box para sa Pilipinas. Kasi ito yung sa amin. Gagamitin namin sa bahay. Lang. This is the one that we usually get. Like this kind. Compared to that. Yeah. Oh, those. Now I wonder. Sorry. Okay. Let's go. We don't have paper towels anymore.
That's paper towel.
Yeah.
Interesting.
You want this, Happy? Okay. This goes in the bottom. Straight, yeah. I like this. Yeah. Well, I want this for our kwarto lang ga. I like something. Naghahanap ako ng yung medyo malalim na pan. Oh. Okay, ito siya. $44.99 kay Rachel Ray. Kapag nagluluto ng pansit. This is the best one. $34.99. Good food. 12.5 inches ceramic non-stick. Yan, nandito na kami sa bahay. So, pagdating namin dito, naglagay ako kaagad ng first load sa aking washer. Yung anak ko nga pala guys, naglalaro siya sa kanyang fish. Ayan. So, yeah, I made her corn, which is eating right now. Show them your corn, Nakbe. Yeah. I-microwave ko lang siya, guys. Kaya wala pa ako nakaluto og kanihapon. So, anyway, today, I have to clean Rachel's room again. Kasi, parang nag-party sa kanyang room, guys. Ganyan talaga kapag bata. And, yeah, today is Friday nga pala. Okay, how's your fish, Rachel? Good? You want to tell them about your fish? You want to tell them about your fish? What did you do with your fish? Kumakain siya, guys. After niyang mag-snack, she's going to come here. Start with the homeschool.
So
Here.
my fish. There's this Oscar orange fish which has a terrible smell. Her name is Yum Yum, and I didn't really like the smell of her, so I decided to give her a little bath, even though she's already in the water. What I did is inside the tank, I gently massage her skin, so so it will like take away the smell.
Yeah.
And she started smelling a little fresher.
That's good.
Yeah.
Tapos na yung clothes ni Rachel, guys. So, ito yung ginagamit namin ngayon na yan, fabric softener. Walmart product, ito siya. And then, lalagyan natin ng detergent powder. After nito, gagawa ako ng broccoli. Yung kagaya last week, beef with broccoli. Para pangmadalian lang. Kasi late na. Tapos aayusin ko pa yung gusto kong iba-vacuum ko yung carpet ng anak ko kasi medyo madumi na, and kailangan kong i-arrange yung yung kwarto niya kasi ay nako, stuff are all over the place. Yan, so magluto na tayo. Char. Ang ating bell pepper and ang onion na gagamitin natin para sa ating broccoli. Yan, so right now it's already 7:21. And ito yung beef, ground beef na gagamitin natin para sa ating ulam for tonight. And then ito yung broccoli. Siguro gagamit lang ako ng isa. Ayan siya. So, yeah. Yan guys, so maglalagay lang ako ng konting mantika. Yan. Lang. And then, after that, ilagay natin ang ating onion. Mahirap, besh. Ayan yung ating onion. Tayo lang. That's our beef. Nag-sprinkle lang ako ng konting salt. Konting-konti lang talaga. And then, nilagyan ko rin siya ng black pepper. Mahilig akong gumamit ng black pepper. So, ayan na siya guys. Nagcut ako ng orange guys. So, bali, ito yung juice natin for tonight. Ihahalo ko siya sa iced tea. Dinner time na guys. So, mauna ni ang ato ang dinner. And the yellow rice mi karon. And then, we have some salad. Gibutangan ako og kamatis og itlog. Ayan, boiled egg. And then, ito na yung ating orange iced tea. Whatever you wanna call it. Hi, Daddy. Yeah. So, wala kaming salad dressing. Mayonnaise na lang yung gamitin natin.
A few moments later.
So, ito guys, nilagay ko na lahat ng stuffed toys ni Rachel dito. Sinort out ko na yung iba na hindi niya na favorite. Tinapon ko na sa basura.
A few moments later.
So, ito na ang ating itsura. Nilinis ko yung closet ng anak ko and inorganize ko yung mga stuffed toys niya, nilagay ko sa bin, and then some of the stuff that she doesn't use anymore, I put it in the bin, and then sa Sunday ko na lang gagawin yung kanyang kwarto kasi wala nang time. So mag-haul muna tayo ng konti, guys. So, ito na yung pinamili namin sa sa Target. So, bumili kami nito, burger. Ayan siya. Yan. And then, kumuha din kami ng ito. Nakita naman ninyo ito, guys, kanina sa And then, ito yung milk natin. Yan. Tapos, naka-sale itong Clorox, guys, na color safe. Yan. So, kaya kinuha ko siya. Yan. Ito. Kuan na lang siya. Maklaro ba? Ayan. $5.63. Kana. Tapos, meron tayo nito, guys. Oh, yan. Ito siya. Ilalagay ko ito sa box para sa Pilipinas. And then, namili tayo ng konting-konti lang talaga. And then, ito siya, fruits and vegetables chopper. Yan. Tapos, ang ating cutting board. Kuan lang ni siya, guys. I'm not sure if this is the $12 or 16. Yeah, I guess this is the $16. Yan. Tapos, ito, ilalagay din natin ito sa box. Ito siya, bali 100 siya ka drawstring bags. Kani siya, diri lang ni sa balay. Okay. And then, konti lang yung binili namin. Meron tayo ditong saging, paborito namin, saging kani siya. Kay Rachel, isa ra kay, supposedly ipakaunta na ako ganiha sa iya ha, pero nakalimutan kasi namin. And then ito siya. And then, yan, kasi naubos na ang ating Q-tips. Ito siya para sa asawa ko. And then, ito yung favorite ko, guys. Oh. Kettle cooked. Ang ating, okay, 10 pieces siya na taco shells. And then, meron tayo itong Ziploc, malaki, and yung regular size lang. And then, kumuha tayo ng toilet paper. And then, ang ating, paper towel. Ayan. Ito siya para sa kitchen, dito ito siya gagamitin natin. Yan. And then, bumili ako ng guys, ito, kawali. Kasi matagal na akong naghahanap ng ganito na kawali na medyo talaga siya ba, yung parang medyo malalim, deep siya, para pag magluto tayo ng pansit, kasi paborito kong magluto ng pansit. Ayan. So, at least meron na tayong medyo malalim na na kawali. And then, dalawang ganito. Tapos, ito para sa ating dishes. Of course, lang ito siya, guys, $5. And then, ito, shampoo and conditioner. Yan. And then, ito, lalagyan na ng ating, yan, liquid soap para sa bathroom. Meron tayo ditong mga towels, guys, Yan, may yellow at saka pink para sa anak ko. Yan. Ano pa yung binili namin dito? Yan. And then, binilhan namin siya ng trophy. Today is Sunday, and as I said, plano kong itackle yung room ni Rachel ngayon. So, ayan. First, vinacuum natin yung kanyang carpet. And before I started organizing the toys, I put some of her toys in the storage bin, and as well as her stuffed toys. And then after that, I just wiped off the shelves. Ayan. Kasi medyo dusty na siya, guys. And then, medyo inorganize lang natin yung mga books. Hindi naman siya masyadong makalat. And then, look at that, guys. May mga posters na nahulog, natanggal. And this area is my favorite spot sa room ni Rachel. Kasi, for me, parang nakaka-inspire siya. Very inspiring. This is her science area. By the way, pinaka-paboritong subject nga pala ng anak ko is science. So, ayan, nag-invest yung asawa ko sa kanya. Like, she has her own microscope. Ayan, and the ears, heart. She likes talking about heart a lot. And these are her 4th grade curriculum. Yeah, because she's already in 4th grade now. On the left side nga pala guys, yan yung old language and arts curriculum niya. I switched into another curriculum kasi this one needs a teacher na may mga part kasi na dapat teacher yung nagbabasa. And since nagtatrabaho ako, I don't want her to feel like, oh, she's doing the teacher part and then before she answers the question. I don't know if you get me. But anyway, yeah. Pero ginagamit pa rin namin yan siya guys pag nasa bahay ako. Ayan. And then, look at that. Pagkatapos guys, ito yung area. Yan. Diyan natutulog yung mga dolls na.